If you are doing ab workouts every day trying to fight your PCOS belly fat, I want you to stop. Seriously, right now, listen up. Ab workouts will not solve your PCOS belly fat problem. I know it seems logical that they would, but the fat that's accumulating around your midsection isn't the result of a lack of ab muscles. It's the result of hormonal imbalances and in many cases maybe eating more calories than you need. So let's here in this video address what type of a workout will help you fix those hormonal balances and get your metabolism going so that you can burn that fat and correct the imbalances. So strength training, you'll hear me say it once, 10,000, 100 times, is great for PCOS because it lowers androgens. It seems to improve insulin resistance, two big hormonal imbalances that are involved in that sort of disposition where your body starts collecting more fat around the belly. So strength training 3 times a week, a full body strength training program that might include one ab exercise, but it's also going to focus a lot on the other major muscle groups in your upper body and lower body. And then I would want you to follow up that full body strength training workout with about 10 or 15 minutes of high intensity interval training. Now, this is a type of very intense cardio that uses intervals. I'll put a link below to a guide, my free guide about high intensity interval training. And it's great for PCOS. It's a great type of cardio for correcting insulin resistance. It's also been shown in some studies to help reduce women's testosterone level too. And again, those are like the two big hormonal players, that and cortisol, for kind of accumulating this belly fat. So 3 or 4 times a week, a full body strength training session followed by 10 to 15 minutes of high intensity interval training seems to be the ideal in my experience. I don't know why, but it seems to me that following up the strength workout with the high intensity interval training works really, really well for belly fat. I have no research or anything for that. I just have noticed it from working with a lot of women with PCOS. And then my bonus tip for you that has nothing to do with exercise is getting enough sleep at night, because as I mentioned, cortisol can be part of your belly fat problem. And that's a hormone that tends to get too high when you're sleep deprived. So get in those sensible workouts, of course a healthy diet, and getting a good night's sleep. That's where it's at for correcting PCOS belly. So don't worry about any of these long ab routines. That's not what you need, girl. I'm here to help you out and save you time. If you like these tips, please subscribe below and don't forget to check out the link to my high intensity interval training guide that you can download for free.